Yo, what's up, guys? Here's today's trade recap, and my camera still isn't working, and I kind of took a break from YouTube just to work on my trading a little bit, but I'll go over the trade recap. So yeah, when market opened right here for me, so my key levels for today were, they were London high and Asian low, because London low already got pushed past. Actually, yeah, London low is also key level, but like it just like that is horrible. So like I was more counting on Asian low getting hit, and it did. So I was looking at the 5-minute time frame. We tapped right into Asian low, got a rejection out. I put my stop below it, and I targeted London, targeted this equilibrium. I think it's 30-minute equilibrium. Yeah. For price to continue downward off of it. So yeah, I got hit. It was a 2.42 risk reward ratio trade. So yeah, it's a pretty good trade today. So yeah, pretty good. Hopefully I can get my camera working soon. So yeah.